Your Excellency, Dr. Lotay Tshering, Prime Minister of Bhutan, honorable members of the National Assembly and the National Council of Bhutan, distinguished Vice Chancellor and faculty members of the Royal University of Bhutan, my young friends, Guju Jongpala, Namaskar. It is a wonderful feeling to be with you all here this morning. I'm sure you are thinking today is Sunday and you have to attend a lecture. But I will keep it brief and on topics that you would relate with. Friends, anyone visiting Bhutan is struck as much by its natural beauty as by the warmth, compassion, and simplicity of its people. Yesterday, I was at Semtokha Jong, the foremost example of the richness of Bhutan's past and the greatness of its spiritual heritage. During this visit, I have had the opportunity to interact closely with the present leadership of Bhutan. I once again received their guidance for the India-Bhutan relationship, which has always benefited from their close and personal attention. Now today, I am here with the future of Bhutan. I can see the dynamism and feel the energy. I am confident that this will shape the future of this great nation and its citizens. Whether I look at Bhutan's past, present, or future, the common and constant traits are deep spirituality and youthful vigor. These are also the strengths of our bilateral relationship. Friends, it is natural that the people of Bhutan and India experience great attachment to each other. After all, we are close not just due to our geography, our history, culture, and spiritual traditions have created unique and deep bonds between our people